Would you like to come along?
Yeah, would love to. Thank you.
Would you like to come in and have a drink?
Would you like to come in and look for him yourself?
How'd you like to come work for Atheon? Get paid.
Would you like to come up and teach the class?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come and see it?
Would you like to come in for some chocolate?
I'm sorry, would you like to come in for a minute?
Hi, Mr. Kim. Would you like to come out and say a few words about your film?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come inside with me?
Would you like to come in?
Matilda, would you like to come over to my house this afternoon?
Would you like to come back tomorrow?
What day would you like to come in this week?
So, how'd you like to come?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come visit me this Sunday?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come to lunch with us?